Okay, so overall, you're looking for a new chair. Your old chair is garbage, and you don't want to drop 350, 400 on a chair. I built this in about like 40 minutes to an hour, and I'm already in love with it. So I'm gonna say go for it. Okay, so you're thinking. Wait. Okay, so you're thinking. Okay, so you're thinking, hey, there's this chair that's pretty reasonably priced. Let's check it out. Let's buy it. What could go wrong? It's 200 and some dollars. 200, sure. And you could wait, spend about 350, 400 on a secret lab, or you could roll the dice on this that have no videos on it, and the reviews on the website look photoshopped. Let's see how it goes. Hello! Is the GTRacing Ace M1 series worth it? I'm gonna say it right now. $250 with coupon included for the fall. $275 like normal pricing. I'd say, hey, if you don't want to drop $350 or $400 on a secret lab chair, I say go for it. I saw this one video in particular about like when I was making my decision, buying a GT racing chair, like it was like, okay, first impressions, it's great. And then 3 months later it said, my chair broke. Luckily, this chair has 5-year warranty, so if you have a problem with it, take a picture, post it online, leave the post public. I don't know why that's really necessary, but overall, that seems to be the way to do your 5-year warranty. That's cool. It's better than my last chair that I had for a couple years, and this one I'm gonna pretty much have for the next 5 years, regardless of whatever happens to it. So yeah, check it out. Yeah. When I first went through the website to look at the reviews to buy it, this one obviously looks fake. Look at the way the chair is right side up and the table's kind of like at an angle. That doesn't seem right. You know? I don't know. It's just things like that. I just don't know why they kept that on the page. This is the one that I saw that I kind of had worries about. Like, look at the mic. Oh, look at the mic. It's like bleeding through the desk. And the chair looks fake. The way the desk is like angled down, but the chair's like at like a perfect it's fishy, right? This one, the lighting, it's like a dark red room, but the chair is like completely lit up differently. I don't know, it just looks off in the lighting with the guitars, with the reflections. Looks like this is just an empty picture, and then they just put the chair on there. Yeah, I don't know. They need to go through their reviews and I don't know, use judgment, because 5 stars out of 5 for every. I mean, don't listen if you're gonna listen to reviews. Listen to the unsponsored reviews like this one. When I was looking through these, I had my doubts, and I'm glad I stuck with it because I just needed a new chair in general. And honestly, if I got scammed, it said 5-year warranty. I also could have been a scam. I don't know. I rolled the dice to make this review, and honestly, I'd say it's worth it. Sold out, sure.